the explorer. Meet Diego. Hola, I'm Dora, and this is my friend Boots. We're at the Animal Rescue Center, where they help all kinds of animals. I hear a sound. Look, Baby Bear is about to fall out of the tree. Hang on, Baby Bear. Oh no, he's falling. Here comes my cousin Diego. He's saving Baby Bear. Wow, Diego's really cool. He can make animal noises and talk to wild animals. Can you say, to Baby Bear? Uh-oh, someone's calling for help. Diego's field journal helps him identify animals. Let's check it to figure out who's calling for help. It's Baby Jaguar, and he's in trouble. We've got to get to the waterfall to help him. Map says that to get to Baby Jaguar, we need to go through the rainforest and past the cave, and that's how we'll get to the waterfall. Will you help us save Baby Jaguar? We have to hurry. Vámonos! We made it to the rainforest. Look, there's a zip cord. We can ride the zip cord through the treetops and zip through the rainforest. Do you see a ladder we can climb up? Oh no, the ladder is missing 6 rungs. Let's find the rungs. Thanks for helping fix the ladder. Now let's go save Baby Jaguar. Whee! We made it to the cave. Do you see a polar bear? Diego's journal says polar bears live only in the cold, but it's really, really hot in the rainforest. Oh no, that's not a polar bear. Do you know who it is? It's Swiper, that sneaky fox. He'll try to swipe Diego's journal. We have to say, Swiper no swiping. Say it with me. Swiper no swiping. Thanks for helping us stop Swiper. Now we need to find the waterfall. We can use Diego's spotting scope to see things that are far away. There's the waterfall, and there's Baby Jaguar. We're coming, Baby Jaguar. We can water ski down the river to save Baby Jaguar. Diego says if we ask the dolphin, he'll pull us through the water. Can you help me call the dolphin? Say, click, click, again. The dolphin can pull us through the river, but we need something to hold on to. Let's check backpack. Say, backpack. What can the dolphin use to pull us along the water? A rope. Excelente. We all need to hold on to the rope. Put your hands out in front of you and hold on tight. Whoa! Yay, we made it to the other side of the river. Oh no, Baby Jaguar is about to fall over the giant waterfall. Diego says that big condors can help us. They can fly us all the way to Baby Jaguar. Say, squawk, squawk, to call the big condors. Quick, you have to help us fly to Baby Jaguar. Flap your arms, faster. Hooray, we caught him. We saved Baby Jaguar, and now the whole jaguar family is together again. Thanks for helping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And for Diego stories, check out my Diego playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell to be notified of new videos as soon as they come up.